Over 30 people died and 36 incidents of landslides and flash floods triggered by heavy rainfall have been reported across Himachal Pradesh as on August 23. The Himachal Pradesh State Disaster Response Force on August 23rd said that Dharamshala has broken the record of heavy rain since 64 years. The SDRF said that the maximum damage was reported from Mandi, Kangra and Chamba districts. After visiting the flash flood and landslide hit areas in Mandi district, the Chief Minister announced that the state government will provide Rs 4 lakh to the next of kin of the deceased. The Chief Minister Jairam Thakur's home district Mandi was the worst hit in the flash floods and landslide. IMD on August 21 said that the state is very likely to see moderate to heavy rain in the next 5 days.